Hi, you are watching Best Full Face Motorcycle Helmets Reviews. Here you will know which full face motorcycle helmets are more safe. Number 1, Bell Qualifier. Lightweight polycarbonate ABS shell construction. Padded wind collar drastically reduces wind and road noise. Nutrifog 2 anti-fog, anti-scratch and UV protected shield, which is a click release shield for fast, easy and tool-free shield replacement. Velocity flow ventilation system with flow adjust. Number 2, GLX lightweight helmet. A robust, lightweight DOT shell designed with optimal aerodynamic aesthetics, utilizing a polycarbonate exoskeleton for impeccable impact protection. Stellar soundproofing material to ensure a quality ride without compromising awareness. Large upper and lower vents for effective and efficient air circulation, as well as ease of adjustment with riding gloves. Number 3, MX9 Mips Dirt Helmet. Lightweight polycarbonate ABS shell construction with Mips energy management system. Fully adjustable flying bridge visor with air intake vents with velocity flow ventilation system for maximum cooling. Removable washable antibacterial interior. Number 4, Scorpion Helmet. A multi-layer EPS provides efficient energy displacement in key areas including EPS lining throughout the entire chin bar. 4 intake ports across the front of the helmet force cool air into the helmet interior, while 3 exhaust vents maximize movement of hot air out of the helmet. Optically clear shield with state-of-the-art fog-free technology, anti-scratch hardened coating, 100% UV protection. Number 5, HJC Helmet. Advanced polycarbonate composite shell, lightweight, superior fit and comfort, using advanced CAD technology. Anti-scratch cane lock ready face shield, HJ09, new 3D design provides 95% UV protection, side shield lock mechanism for a ultra-secure seal. For ultimate anti-fog system, add a optional pane lock insert. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.